Hey guys, welcome to another video for the Winter 2018 BeautyPro Box series. Today we're going to look at all the exciting products that we got from Lash Beautique Pro right from my hometown of Vancouver. Let's get started. Hello BeautyPro Hive. Lash Beautique Pro was one of our featured vendors in the Winter 2018 BeautyPro Box. Let's talk about what you got. First, let's start with this super cute gold foil eyelash makeup bag. How cute is this? And it feels sturdy and is big enough to fit all of the cool things. We've also got this really pretty thank you card that gives you a promo code for 15% off your next purchase of $50 or more. Woo! Thanks, Lash Beautique Pro. And looky, we also have these two black-coated, gold-tipped tweezers. They are super sexy looking and very matchy with the makeup bag. I have personally hand tested each and every pair of tweezers before including them into your BeautyPro box, but as I've mentioned before in other videos, each pair of tweezers has its own unique bite point or sweet spot, so you'll want to get to know your tweezers before using them on a client. Wine them, dine them, ask them what their life's aspirations are, treat them nicely, and be sure not to drop them. Some other factors that come into play for volume pickup is your hand pressure, pickup technique, and the actual lashes that you're using. This is why a pair that works for me might not necessarily work for someone else. First, let's check out the boot-shaped tweezers. Typically, this type of tweezer is used for volume, but if you wanted to, you could also use them for classic. Not so great for isolation though, since they aren't super pointy. Let's try out a few different techniques and see how they work. Keep in mind guys that I'm using a 0.07 diameter for this testing, so I'd never actually use more than 4D on a client. I just like to do my testing with this diameter since it's a very popular one, and I like to max it out to see each tweezer's capabilities. So it looks as though the bite point is about 2 millimeters from the tip. With this boot shape, it's really nice and easy to do the pick and roll on strip technique, but you can achieve other techniques as well. Now let's try the other pair here. These have a 0.5 centimeter tip at a 45-degree angle. They're meant to be an isolation tweezer and are really great for that purpose, but you could also use them for classic. And let's try them out for volume, just for funsies, and see how they fare. Because it's a shorter tip tweezer, you'd want to use them to pick up like a 2D or a narrower fan. These types of tweezers are also really great for checking stickies, because you can really get in there. We've also got these two different types of adhesive wells. First, we've got these round ones that have about 27 wells, perfect for keeping your drop fresh during a long appointment. They are disposable or one-time use, so you'll want to use a new one for each client. If you don't need all 27 for one client, you can always modify them by cutting them, just as many as you need for one appointment. The second type of well has two sides for your adhesive, and it's got 12 V's cut out on the outer edge. What you can do with this is after you dip your volume fan, you run your base along the V so that you can point out your bases. When you're doing volume, you want a pointy base and not a T-bar base so that it's a seamless attachment point. This will give you better retention as the fan wraps around the natural lash, and it also causes less discomfort and irritation to your client's sensitive eyelids since there's no sharp corners from the T-bar poking and rubbing the lid when the lashes move to and fro. When you are using this, I would dip the fan, point out your base, then quickly re-dip again because you just swiped off much of your adhesive, then apply it to the natural lash. Okay, there you have it, the super cute products that we got from Lash Beautique Pro. Try them out, and if you love them, please be sure to give them a shout to reorder. If you're just joining us, we just showed you how to use these products from Lash Beautique Pro that was included in your Winter 2018 BeautyPro box. If you missed out on the Winter 2018 box, the next one will be the Spring 2019 box, and you can get more information on our website at www.thebeautyprobox.com. Make sure to sign up for emails so that you get notified as soon as the spring box is available to order. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon. Until next time, remember that we can all be the change that we want to see in the lash world and beyond.